Italian thing. You guys are talking like this. Couldn't eat nothing. Got down to 99.
Carbon fiber. Probably weighs like 5 pounds of that. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Oh, I gotta get a picture of that one. There's one more. It's like a little bug or something.
Majority of the meats we go to be honest, is out towards like Naperville and stuff like that. But every now and then when they do this Homewood one, we
Yeah, I got some stuff. I'll go anywhere. Yeah, I came from Indiana, but 15 minutes.
There's a couple meats in Indiana I actually want to check out this summer. It was one at Island I want to check out. And my pop's there in Indiana, so every time I go to this house, his neighbors, they all come over.
Oh, yeah.
They be going crazy over my car.
There was one last Saturday, or 2 hours ago. It was like kind of like this vibe at night. DJ.
Gotta look at this. We gotta see this.
I don't know about that. I started looking at the internet. Don't look at that shit if you want to try to get motivated. Don't ask them no questions. It's like,
What?
you dumb fuck, don't you? Think your daddy ever took some damn? I'm just asking a question. Oh, the hell of a and it's at Super Beetle Club, like they really love you. Holy shit. Man, they ripped your ass in there. I just wanted to know what a spark plug was. You old fuck, you dumb. Look at these pictures. Your big arrow right there showing how it goes in. I'm like, fuck the car. Why is it like that? It reels you in.
It's just the way the world is. Once you get used to it, you get used to it. Okay, people. What the heck is that? Oh my goodness, look at that. Woody and Buzz Lightyear. That's funny. That is pretty good. Okay, people, Memorial Day 2023. Sitting waiting to get unloaded Tuesday. Went to go fix my truck. And started seeing these cars come in the parking lot. And said, what the hey? So I thought I'd take a look.
I had it on my Cougar.
Is that there to reflect the light in
No,
that, or
it's
is
heat.
that a heat thing?
That's for heat.
Okay.
So it doesn't change the color of the hood.
Got it.
Yours? Yes, sir.
Beautiful.
Need to let me look.
Shoot.
That is nice. What kind of horsepower? 3 something. 3 something? Pumping spectacular. Really? It looks like it could fast. That supercharger's enormous. That's just what I'm talking Yeah, it's, it's
They always say the color red adds about 10 miles an hour, right?
at least. At least. I had the same sticker in my, I had a Cougar that.
Ciao, people. The American spirit is still alive.